Hello and welcome to NTC Reviews. Today is a good day, and why is that? It's because I finally received my NEBRA Helium miners. It's been quite a few months that I was on the list and placed the order, and the cool thing is a business partner of mine that we share a few miners, he had received his NEBRA miners 2 weeks ago, and we got those up and running, onboarded, synced relatively rapidly, and they are performing on par with all the other miners that we have from the different manufacturers. So as far as I'm concerned, they're good to go, and that's why I was excited to actually get my hands on these miners. I opted for two versions that NEBRA offers. They're both meant for the USA frequency, and there are a few choices depending on what's in stock and where you're located. And we have the indoor version, and the thing that actually excited me about NEBRA, that they offer this outdoor kit that allows you to mount your hotspot outdoors. With this outdoor kit from NEBRA for its miner, it basically has everything that you need. This is a serious package, well protected from, let's say, the environment, and it actually looks pretty cool. And as I mentioned, comes with most of the stuff that you need to get you set up, once again, depending on what your needs are and what type of setup you need. We've ran into a couple situations where having an external miner really would make the job much simpler than trying to run certain wires to certain locations that sometimes it's not feasible, especially when it's not your own home or location. So a lot of times you have a lot less access, a lot less flexibility, and when you have something like this that is standalone and good to go, it will certainly make my job easier where I would want to install this outdoor miner. It also comes with this compact antenna that is 3 dBi. So, as I've mentioned, we have a couple other NEBRA units that we've been utilizing over the last couple weeks, and they are performing well. They are mining HNT, and they're relatively efficient. So I cannot complain, and hopefully they'll keep doing what they're doing. If anything does change, of course, I will update this review and keep you, let's say, abreast of the situation. So with the way that HNT has been moving as far as the token price, I feel that investing in miners is still a worthwhile venture. You will get your return on investment, especially if the HNT token keeps doing what it's doing. So bottom line, if you're in the market for an HNT miner, whether it's for indoor and especially if you're looking for an outdoor solution, definitely take a look at these hotspot miners from NEBRA. They seem to finally be shipping. They seem to actually have some in stock, and the fact that my partner received his a couple weeks ago, I received mine a few days ago, things are definitely looking up for NEBRA. So basically, if you've been wanting to get your hands on a miner, this might be a great opportunity for you to do so. Once again, I'll place links to the website. If you're not familiar at all with helium in general, I have other review videos that I'll link now in the top right, and of course I will place them in the description and the comments field below.